Frozen hash browns are a convenient and delicious way to enjoy a classic breakfast dish. However, it's important to thaw them properly before cooking to ensure they are crispy and evenly cooked. In this video, we will go over a few different methods for thawing frozen hash browns, so you can choose the best one for your needs and preferences. I am Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Blogginggoodfood. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Method 1, Defrosting hash browns in refrigerator. Step 1, when defrosting hash browns, one of the most convenient and ideal methods is to use the refrigerator. To make frozen hash browns, you have to take them out of the freezer and put them in the fridge for up to 8 hours without expelling the packaging. Method 2, Defrosting in microwave. Step 1, to reheat the frozen hash browns, put them in a container that has been lined with paper towels and microwave for 30 seconds. Step 2, place the plate or container in the microwave after covering it with paper towels. Step 3, microwave on the defrost setting for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step 4, when defrosting in the microwave, defrost for 10 to 15 seconds at a time if not completely thawed. Step 5, before using, dry the surface with paper towels to remove excess water. Method 3, defrosting hash brown under cold water. Step 1, using a colander or a pot, drain the frozen hash browns and set them aside. Step 2, pour cold water into the colander or pot by placing it under a kitchen faucet and turning the faucet on. And to remove any excess moisture, use a paper towel to pat yourself dry after you've finished. Step 3, swish the hash browns around to ensure they are all consistently revealed to the cold water. Step 4, after 30 seconds, check to see if the hash browns have completely thawed. If not, continue to run the cold water until they have completely thawed.